Hello! We're going to try this one more time. I don't know what happened, but the camera just shut off. And it certainly isn't overheated, that's for sure. Anyway, we're on our way to find some cat treats. Because where we live, those exotic cat treats can't be found. And anyway, we're having to put the windows down. Oxy's with us.
She's the gassiest cat in the world.
And we have a litter box with us, and I think she just used it.
Disgusting.
Sorry about all the noise. She'd be great in a convertible. No, she wouldn't. She'd jump out.
No, she wouldn't. She'd jump out.
She'd see a bird and go flying, catch the bird. But anyway, we're going to stop and see if we can get some corn up here. At this store, they have it 2 ears for $1, and we're going to see what it looks like. Hopefully it'll be good.
I'm kind of picky about my produce.
And we're going to see if it's something we can take home. But we're out here in the woods, kind of. It's supposed to rain. Probably will. Luckily tomorrow it's supposed to be nice, but we're not going anywhere tomorrow. I'm not going anywhere tomorrow. She might be going somewhere tomorrow. I'm not going anywhere. But anyhow,
Sorry.
Don't know what all those sound effects are, but I don't need them. It's not mine. But anyway, we got lucky. We found some good food at the one store we were at. And look at that corn on the right and corn on the left. Yes. That's one thing they grow a lot of here in Pennsylvania. But anyway, look over there. I don't know what they are, but there's a bunch of them.
Thanks.
Might have been sheep. I don't know. Probably not, though. Anyway. Something like a sheep or a goat. They were all laying down. But, anyway. We're just...
I don't know why it does that, and I apologize.
It's my girlfriend's phone. Arabians.
Yeah, we can't afford those.
I can't afford a Palomino. But I'd kind of like to have a Palomino.
Why?
I always thought Mr. Ed was so nice looking. Hello, I'm Mr. Ed. Besides, what kind of name is Ed for a horse? Well, what kind of name is Wilbur for a man? Oh my. Anyway, that brings back memories. Yeah, we're going to jump out of here. We are currently in a place called Knox.
Yep.
K-N-O-X, not K-N-O-C-K. Look at that corn. Wow.
You have a fixation on corn, don't you?
Yes, I do. I love corn. It's one of my very favorite vegetables. Corn, peas, carrots. Those are like 3 of my favorites. After that, it's probably green beans, cauliflower, broccoli. I love that sort of stuff. But, well, we're here at the bump.
The bump?
Yeah, you're supposed to get out and do the bump. bump, bump.
Oh, jeez.
Does anybody remember MC Hammer? Do the
That
bump,
was
bump, bump. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. Don't you love the way they fix the roads here in PA? I do. But anyway, where I'm from, they have speed bumps that aren't that rough. How do I come up with this stuff? I amaze myself sometimes. But anyway, we're going to jump out before we get to the store. Jump out of the video, not out of the car. That would be pretty painful right about now. But anyway, we're going to go in here and grab some groceries.